Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with Amazon Prime, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Amazon Prime membership, start by signing into your Amazon account on a web browser or through the Amazon app. Once logged in, navigate to the Account and Lists section located at the top right corner of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select your Prime membership. You will be directed to the Prime membership management page. Look for the Manage Membership option, usually located on the left side of the page. Click on Manage Membership to reveal additional options. Next, find and select End Membership. Amazon will present you with information regarding your membership benefits and remaining days. Read through this information carefully. If you determine that you still want to proceed, click on End My Benefits. You may be asked to provide a reason for canceling your membership. Choose an option from the drop-down menu or provide feedback if prompted. After selecting your reason, follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Amazon may offer you special deals or a temporary membership extension during this process. If you're offered any promotions, you can either accept or decline. Once you finalize your cancellation, you will receive an email confirming your membership cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation to ensure the process was completed successfully. Your Amazon Prime membership will officially end at the end of your current billing cycle. If you decide to rejoin later, you can easily sign up for Amazon Prime again through your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.